Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I style my head wrap in a low bun using two different methods. Okay, so we're going to brush our hair back into a pretend ponytail, and then you're going to lay your edges however you style them. And don't forget to brush the back of your hair up. So I usually use my do-rag to lay my edges down for about 5 minutes. Now once my edges are set, I usually retie my scarf to set it as a base for my head wrap. I also wear a silk scarf under my head wrap to protect my hair from any friction from the head wrap. Okay, for option 1, we're going to take our head wrap and we're going to make sure it's even on both ends, and then we're going to tie it to the back nice and snug. To keep your head wrap neat, tuck any excess material. Next, we're going to gather up both ends and try to keep it nice and neat. We're going to tie it up at the top of our heads, and then we're going to gently push it to the back and pull it tight. And now we have a nice base for our bun. Next, we're going to take one end of our wrap and twist it all the way down, and then we're going to bring it up and over and wrap it around our base. Then we're going to tuck the ends up under the base. Now we're going to take the other end and expand it and place it over the base. As you hold the base secure, neatly twist off the excess material and wrap it around your base to finish the bun. From here, you're just going to keep squeezing it and tucking it until you get the shape that you desire. You may need to readjust the front and fix up your edges and baby hairs. Now for option 2, I call this the rope method. Now we're going to start off with the same base. We're going to tie it in the back. Then we're going to take one end and twist it all the way down. Next, we're going to bring that up and over our other end and bring it all the way around and tuck it under. Next, we're going to take the other end and twist it all the way down, and then we're going to bring that side up and around the opposite way, and then we're going to wrap it all the way around and tuck the ends. And again, we're going to keep playing with it and keep adjusting it until we get a good shape. And here are both methods. Make sure you comment below and let me know which method you prefer and which one you'll be trying out. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.